So I painted my extra pieces and glued them together. This was the bee, the honeycomb, and my jar. And I'm going to start by taking some jute and tying it in the first hole of this little jar. And then I'm going to add a nude bead, a white bead, and another nude bead. I'm going to create a knot, and then I'm going to do a yellow bead, a white bead, and a yellow bead. And then I'm going to create another knot, and then I'm going to fold the top half down to where the beads start, and then create a knot. And then I'm going to cut off the excess jute, and now you have this hanging honey jar. My honeycomb, I put some jute and tied a knot. And then I added a nude bead, tied a knot, a white bead, then tied a knot, a yellow bead, then tied a knot. Then I'm going to leave a little space and add the bee. I'm going to put my jute through the bottom hole of the bee, then go through the back to the top hole of the bee. Tie a knot. Or tie a knot, yellow bead, tie a knot, white bead, tie a knot, the nude bead, tie a knot, and then I'm going to fold the rest of the portion over and tie a knot so I have a hanger. Thanks so much for this month's kit, and we'll see you next month.